Welcome to digital class of JK Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Today's topic is the correct use of prepositions. Firstly, let's understand what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or a pronoun and some other words in a sentence. A preposition is placed before a noun or a pronoun. தமிழில் நம்ம prepositions-ஐ முன்னிடைச் சொற்கள் என்று அழைக்கிறோம். இவைகள் எப்பொழுதும் நவுன் என்று சொல்லப்படுகிற பெயர்ச்சொற்களுக்கு முன்போ ப்ரனவுன் என்று சொல்லப்படுகிற பிரதிபெயர்ச்சொற்களுக்கு முன்போ பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. Let's look at an example to understand better. The book is kept dash the table. Supposing I don't have this blank here. Now read, the book is kept the table. There is no sense in the sentence. Now read this sentence. The book is kept on the table. Now there is a sense in the sentence. This is what on, which is the preposition, brings about the relationship between the book and the table. So preposition is a connecting word. Now you have understood what is a preposition. Now I am going to teach you three prepositions at, in and on with reference to time. Now let's look at preposition at. We use at when we talk about an exact time, festivals and the weekend, parts of the day without the. For example, at 6 o'clock, at 9:30, at Christmas, at Diwali, at night, at noon, at midday and at midnight. Here are few examples. We will go through each one of them and see how at is used with reference to time. First example is Maria leaves work at 6 o'clock. When we talk about a particular time or specify a time, you use preposition at. Next, I don't like going out at night. People use in the night. Actually, it is not in the night, it is at night. Next, we give each other presents at New Year. Next, I play football at the weekend. Here also we make mistakes when we use the word weekend. We use at the weekend, not on the weekend, because at the weekend used in British English, on the weekend used in American English. Now let's take a look at preposition on. We use on when we talk about a named day or date, on Sunday, on 6th October, on New Year's Day. Next, a named part of a named day, and Sunday evening and Saturday night. Let's see some example sentences. Her birthday is on March 12. This is the particular date. Next, I go to the church on Sundays, which means every Sunday. Next, she will visit us on Thursday evening. Next, we'll meet on Christmas Day, not Christmas, Christmas Day. Now let's see preposition in. We use in when something happens in a named month or year. Example, in June in 1996. Next, a season or century. For example, in summer in the 20th century. Also we use in for parts of the day with the in the morning, in the evening. Next, definite periods of time, in 5 minutes, in a few days, in 6 weeks, in 2 years. Let's look at some examples. It gets dark early in winter, not on winter, at winter. Next, we are in 21st century. Then the train will be leaving in a few minutes. Next, he will return in a month or weeks. Next, I learned to drive in 6 weeks. Next, he was born in 1995. There are few exceptions that we don't use at, in, on, with, this morning, this week, this year, last month, last August, last week, next Monday, next year, next week, and every day, every week, and every month. Let's look at some examples. I'll see you next Friday. You should not say I'll see you on next Friday. It is incorrect. Next, they got married last March. Move on to the next. The film is releasing next month. Finally, Nisha goes to school every day. Thanks for your support and watch the videos given in the link below. Thank you.